ever thought that dark lipsticks might just be too harsh at our age, stick around. I have 3 lipsticks today that may just change your mind. Hi everyone, my name is Pam and I make content for the mature lady, 50s and beyond. I think makeup should make us feel more elegant, beautiful, but most of all, like ourselves. So if you are interested in some gorgeous new lipsticks for the autumn season, this video is for you. I was looking at my nail polish today, and as you can see, it's quite a bit darker than what I've been wearing of late. And because it's getting colder, cooler here, the autumn is upon us, I want my lipstick to match as well. So I thought, why not share that with you? The first one is the one that I'm wearing at the moment. And this is a lip glaze by Maybelline. It's a lifter glaze in the color Espresso Kiss. And it looks really dark in here in the bullet. It looks extremely dark, but what I like about it, because it's a glaze, you can see there, it doesn't have, you can build up the color, but it's not intense. It's nowhere near as bad as what you see in the bullet. You can build it up, but it is very comfortable. It feels like a lip balm, and like I say, you can build it up, but it is a good starter point for somebody that wants to try a dark lipstick but is not too sure of how deep they want to go. This would be a good option for you to start. I don't use any lip liner with this. I use it just as I would a lip balm. So that's a good one to start with. The next one is one by Boots number 7. This one is called, what do we have here? Hot Ginger. And you'll see this one is more of a deeper orange shade. That's what it looks like on the swatch. And I'm going to put it on now. But with this one, I would use a lip liner. I'm using the Lifter lip liner by Maybelline, and this one is number 2. Is it? Number 2. That's the one that I'm using today. I will start by taking off the glaze that I started off with, just so that we've got a clean slate, and have a mirror to the side here. So we start with our lip liner, which is quite dark because I don't want the lipstick to be quite as corally orange as it is. So the lip liner will give us a gorgeous autumnal shade, but it will ground it so that it's not quite so shocking. So I hope you can see there that I now have a really nice deep orange color, gorgeous for autumn. This really reminds me of autumn, but it is still quite soft, so it's not too much. It's not quite as harsh as you would expect something for the autumn. If I said to you a dark lipstick, I don't think this is the first thing that would come to mind. Okay, so that's that one, Hot Ginger by Boots number 7. And the final lipstick that I have to share with you is by Lisa Eldridge, which is my favorite brand anyway for lipsticks mostly. And this one is in Velvet Jazz. And this is seriously dark. I love this color. This is absolutely gorgeous. It screams autumn. I will just get rid of this one. Okay, I've tried to get off as much as I can, but because the Lisa Eldridge is so dark, I think anything left over will just be covered up by the Lisa Eldridge. So bear with me while we add there you have it. I love this. I wouldn't even use a lip liner with this because I love the color so much. I wouldn't want to change it with a lip liner. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, as I said, I have a little tip for you. If you want it to last all day, I would put it on as I just did, and then remove a little bit with some tissue like that, and then you add another layer. So this now becomes like a base layer. You add a second layer, and that should last you all day. This is such a sophisticated color. I love it. It lasts all day. It's quite creamy on the lips, and as you know, the velvet shades are quite matte, but it's not drying at all. It's just beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please leave a comment down below what is your favorite shade, or if you do change your lipstick at all in the autumn time, autumn, winter. Do you change your lipstick? Do you change your makeup, your nail polish? Is it all seasonal for you? Please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Join us again next week for another video, and yes, thank you for spending time with me, and I will see you soon. Bye.